Welcome to RV Road Report. If you're a true nomad at heart or just love the idea of home on wheels, today's going to be a treat. We've got something that's a total head-turner, the Malibu Genius 641 LE Camper Van Motorhome, finished in a vibrant yellow with rugged 4x4 capability. A luxurious road warrior built to explore the wild and look good doing it. So buckle up, we're going for a full 360 tour. Let's roll. Exterior front view. To look at this bold front stance. Malibu's signature design proudly shines at the front with that classy logo centered perfectly. The vibrant yellow finish demands attention, and the grille, LED headlights, and strong bumper hint at off-road confidence. Standing tall in the showroom, the Malibu Genius 641 LE screams premium adventure. From curves to cuts, everything about this front view is built for both style and function. Top side view. The top view reveals serious functionality. A powerful solar panel system keeps your power flowing off-grid, while the sleek air conditioning unit ensures cool comfort inside, no matter the heat. You'll also notice the TV/radio antenna, perfect for staying connected wherever you go. Malibu has packed this roof with tech, making sure the Genius 641 LE is not just a van, it's a moving smart home. Back side view. The back of the Malibu Genius 641 LE is all about utility. Neatly mounted is an extra spare tire, rugged, ready, and essential for long remote journeys. Below that, a perfectly adjusted cycle carrier ensures your biking adventures go wherever you do. Whether you're hitting nature trails or just cruising the campsite, the rear has everything you need to stay mobile and safe. Side view with tent. The side profile shows off Malibu's long body elegance. And check this out, an integrated side tent/sunshade system that transforms your parking spot into an outdoor lounge. Just roll out the canopy, set up a couple of chairs, and enjoy your coffee with nature around you. From the trail to the tailgate, this setup is what makes the Genius a luxury outdoor suite. Driving compartment. Step into the driving compartment and it's clear. Malibu takes control seriously. Ergonomic seats, a premium steering wheel, and high-mounted displays put you in charge. 2 LED screens, one dedicated to real-time rear-view monitoring, make parking and reversing a breeze. Intuitive controls, smartphone integration, and ambient lighting ensure this cockpit is as comfortable as it is capable. Sitting and sleeping area. Right behind the driving seat is your dual-purpose lounge, a soft and spacious sofa-cum-bed. During the day, it's your cozy chill-out zone. By night, it converts into a relaxing bed. There's clever storage all around, plus windows that bring in natural light. It's not just about space, it's about making every inch feel like home. Kitchen area. The kitchen area may be compact, but it's fully equipped. A 2-burner gas stove, stainless steel sink, and a mini refrigerator, everything you need to whip up meals on the move. Right next to the sleeping zone, it's perfectly placed for convenience. Smart cabinetry keeps your essentials tucked away while maximizing functionality in a minimal footprint. Washroom. Yes, there's even a washroom on board. Tucked into a smartly designed corner, you've got a compact toilet, a fold-out sink, and a mini shower. Malibu has done magic here, fitting full hygiene facilities into a surprisingly small space. Perfect for staying clean and fresh, no matter where the road leads. And that wraps up our full tour of the Malibu Genius 641 LE Camper Van Motorhome, rugged, luxurious, and intelligently designed. Whether you're exploring off-road trails or setting up camp by a serene lake, this van has your back. And now the big number. This beauty comes with a price tag of $134,000 US.